Hey friends, a lot of users have reported the Roblox black screen issue and we have found the resolution. So I'll help you with it. Search for Roblox in the Windows search bar and open Roblox. It will need a few seconds to load the page. And once this has opened, all you need to do is scroll down and play any game you want. Let's say I'll play this game. I'll wait for the server to load. It will need a few seconds. And once the server has loaded, click on this button here. Go to the settings panel, and after going to the settings panel, scroll down and go to reduce motion. This is off by default, turn it on. After turning it on, click on resume, and now you will not face that problem of that black screen. Now, in the rare case that this issue persists, you can try a second solution. The second solution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on this option. Check all these boxes here. Click on OK, click on delete files. It will need a few seconds, and after that, all the files will be deleted. I hope this was easy and interesting, and if this helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. We really need that. And if it didn't help you, then please let us know in the comment section so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.